All right. All right. Okay, so we're here, end of day here. I took a lot of put position, the 404, 403 put. So I am long the 404 strike and short the 403 strike for tomorrow's expiration. Okay, I got in at 10 cents. It got partial order. I didn't even get all of it. So damn. Um, that sucks. But at least I got a partial order in. So I wanted to share that with you guys. Also, too, I also wanted to share this too, guys. So this is part of the plan. I'm adding this to the plan as well for TSN. Okay, this is Tyson. It still goes along with our meat thesis. Over the weekend, there was a record number of cattle in Texas sold to wholesalers, which are like the slaughterhouses, companies like Tyson and whatnot. A record number because of the drought. They don't want to pay for hay anymore, so they're not letting the calves grow into full-grown cows. They're just slaughtering them early, okay? So the spot price of feeder cattle is really high, but I'm sorry, the futures price is really high, but I don't think the spot price is high. I think the spot price is actually going to be low. So because because of that, I think TSN is going to have a really good next quarter, and I think they guided lower. I think Tyson also had a lot of fear in their earnings release because the CEO wants to get lower strikes on his options, so that when he's got a low hurdle to beat next quarter, his lower strike options are going to be way more in the money, and he'll make more profit that way. So tomorrow, if okay, all of this has to happen at once, dude. If one of these things don't happen, game is out. Okay, no, game over. No dice. Okay, so if tomorrow, because of the CPI report, we dip. Okay, the market dip. Let's say it gaps down open, or let's say it opens flat and it just goes down in the morning session. Let's say by the end of the day, it recovers most of those losses. So if we see a big wick and we see Tyson closing near the upper range of its daily range tomorrow, that would be a buy signal for me. Okay, and that would also suffice the 3-day rule. And I'm going to lotto that one. I'm going to use calls, okay? I'm going to use lotto leaps. 528 days out, January 2024, 120 calls, baby. That's what I'm looking at, the 120 calls, okay? These are lotto, zero or hero. These could go to zero, all right? And what I'm going to do is after it doubles, I'm going to take out half, take my principal, and let the rest ride for the rest of that 528 days, and we'll see what happens, okay? I'm trying to get a free lotto out of this, all right? I'm trying to get a free lotto. So I'm going to buy this. When it doubles, sell half. But again, CPI is going to have to make the market dip, and Tyson then has to recoup those losses by the end of the day. So I'm not going to be getting this at the bottom, okay? There's no such thing as getting this at the bottom. We have to get that confirmation at the end of day. So this will be a trade that we do end of day. So I'll go over this more at the high noon highlights tomorrow, but I just wanted to share that with everybody just in case, okay? As far as the lotto, again, guys, I'm long. The puts for tomorrow, okay, I got a partial order, okay, the 404, 403, all right, I got a partial order. I don't know why, god damn it, I don't know why they didn't give me the full fill, but I got a few. I mean, well, I'll get like, I guess the market will pay for my next beer outing if I it's just beer money basically for now. I mean, yeah, it's really small beer money, and I even even out of the small order I put in, I only got a partial fill. So it looks like right now, if that's the only fill I'm gonna get, and if I get full profit, the market will pay for my beers as I go out. I live in LA, so beers are expensive in bars right now. So it pays for a couple of beer outings, I guess. Yeah, but I'll keep that 10 cent on there. The 10 cent order. We'll see if it fills or not. So that is that. I just wanted to share that with everybody. I'm taking a lotto for the CPI tomorrow, and also I added TSN to our play just in case if we see anything tomorrow. Okay, so just wanted to give you guys that update. What's going on with everybody? What's going on? What are some of the trades people are looking at? Are other people looking at different things? What you guys looking at? Anybody gonna type in voice chat text?
Going individual with like Amazon, Google, Microsoft instead of
Oh,
lotto.
you're looking at individual stocks.
Yeah, instead, I mean, they tend to just pay a little bit better than SPY does singularly.
Okay.
I mean, I wouldn't like, I mean, they're 100% pure lottos. I mean, market could go to 430 tomorrow. We don't know.
Yeah, we don't know. We don't know. You're right. Uh-oh, we're seeing a little bit of rally. Okay, am I gonna get my order filled? Come on.
I got filled, but it was at like 13,
No,
and
dude,
it
I
took
want
a
10.
while for that.
I need 10. I need 10. Okay. My
Yeah,
rules dictate I must get my price. Or I'm not in.
I hear you.
Come on now. Come on,
I had
everybody.
11 forever, then 12 forever, then I was like,
Everybody,
fuck it.
move. Start mooing. Start mooing. Start mooing as loud as you can in front of your screen. Come on, moo, motherfuckers. Give me my fill. Give me my fucking fill. Moo.
Oh,
Moo. God damn it. Come on. If it just went up like, oh, is it going to fill? Oh, God. Come on now.
11 just.
Come on now. What's TNX doing? I just want to see what's TNX doing. TNX. Let's see some of our other indicators. What's going on with ZB? Is it gonna fill or not? Is he gonna give me my fucking 10 cents? Come on, give me my fucking 10-cent fill. Bastards. Fucking market maker trying to get my extra penny. Bitches. Come on. Come on. ZB. Ugh. If it goes down, dash for cash. Up, cash is trash. We shall see what happens. TLT, man, I should have went ahead. No, I can't say I should have went ahead with the CPI coming up. That was risky. But if it gets to 112 area, I definitely want to be buying TLT calls. All right, TSN. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. If it just like does this and then recovers tomorrow, oh, that would be such a buy signal in my opinion. And I think easily that could go up to like 90s. Maybe top of that range, like 87, 88. That would be good. Let's see PPC. Oh, PPC, guys. PPC. I still got that in my plan. I don't know if I mentioned it today or not, but it's still part of the plan. Okay, that 29 or so that we're looking at. So hopefully we get that. Damn, give me my 10 cents. Give me my 10-cent fill. God damn it. I got 13 minutes for this to fill. 13 minutes. Come on, guys. So, okay, that's my update to my plan. How's crude oil doing right now? I haven't looked at crude oil in a while. Oh, back in the 90s. Well. I still want to short 120. I still want to short at 120. I don't know if we're going to get there, though. Goldman Sachs thinks that we're going to get to 160 in oil soon. I don't know what they're smoking. Maybe next year, but I don't think end of year. That's crazy. That's crazy talk to me. I don't know. I mean, I guess it's possible, but
Maybe.
Maybe. But I don't know. I don't know about that. Nat
If,
gas.
if the European energy crisis goes max,
Yeah. I know some of
we
our
will.
sour crude here in the United States is making its way to Europe right now.
I think we're currently buying anything that can be transported by ship.
Yeah, pretty much. I guess beggars can be choosers. Europe definitely needs the oil.
The
Natural
countries
gas
here
too.
are also
Natural
The
gas
individual
too.
countries are making export laws to
Oh yeah.
prevent them.
You know what? That's funny. I've been noticing that Germany has been adding to its supply, uh, even at these record high European like Eurex prices, like at 50 something euros. They're still buying and they're stockpiling, uh, which kind of
Because Germany is extremely low on stockpiles and is extremely.
You know what, man? According to this website, it's not extremely low. It's not enough for their full winter. That is true, but it's not necessarily low. I think it's just because they have so much more industry than some of the other European countries that they're in the spotlight for that. Let me show you what I'm
Well,
talking about here.
let me say it this way: it's basically on track for the winter, but those numbers are based on the fact that they would still be getting deliveries during winter, but they won't be probably because obviously Russia is gonna cut that off midwinter to fuck with them,
Right. No. Well, here's the thing. So from what
and
I
they're shutting
heard,
down.
and some from what the German government said, is that if their gas storage gets to 90%, they can go through the whole winter without rationing. This has to get to 90% by I think Toasty said September or October. I think by October this number has got to be 90%, or else there's gonna be some rationing going on in Germany.
I would count on some rationing.
I mean, but if they can get to 90%, and the thing is, every day it's been going up.
That's true. That's probably because they're buying like
Yeah, and
full
at
cost.
0.66%, if you multiply by that by 30 days, all it takes is 30 more days. If they can keep doing this for 30 more days, they'll have enough.
I'm not even sure they have enough. Well, they might have enough gas, but I'm not sure they even have enough capacity.
Actually, let's look at your country.
Well, we have the
Oh,
emergency
your
field.
country's a little behind. Well, I don't know if your country needs as much. Germany is more of that industrial like factories, and I don't know the Netherlands their gas intake or what kind of industries they have.
Also, we have enough gas. We have a closed gas plant which closed a year ago, which is still fully ready to run. Which you just don't want to turn it on because then we have to give it to Europe.
I see.
So they're currently working on laws to limit the export of it, and when that happens, they can. So we have a gas field below that Groningen that's already drilled, which we're not currently taking from because it causes earthquakes. But in an emergency, we can still take. And we did have overcapacity. We also bought how you call it? A big part of our reserves is in coal now because we just re-enabled the decommissioned coal plants.
And
Safe on gas.
actually, a lot of European countries, especially Germany, they're also warming up to the idea of nuclear. Didn't I say this, guys? I fucking said this like weeks ago,
The
months ago.
Netherlands was already on that trial for about 3 years after some talk show started.
Yeah, I said this I said
But
this right
Germany is
here.
actually still um, Germany is still shutting down their reactors. That's why they're.
Yeah.
I mean, 90%. I'm currently questioning if their grid is ready to deal with this shit because they were kinda relying heavily on when the nuclear reactor got shut down. They were kinda relying heavily on the Netherlands and Norway providing them with quite a lot of electricity. Norway just blocked exports of electricity. Netherlands is planning to do still be fucked.
Norway. Let's see.
Well,
No,
Norway makes a lot
it's
of
not in the
hydropower.
E. Oh yeah, it's not on here because this is just EU countries, I guess.
Yeah, but basically the low water levels cause Norway to limit energy.
So yeah, so if this number gets to 90, they don't need a ration, and already they're starting to warm up to the idea of nuclear. And I knew I should have gotten this stock at in the fives, man. I fucking knew it, but I know I was greedy. I was fucking greedy. I wanted the fours. It went to 475. I wanted to go lower, and I never got it. I got too scared. God, this is what I mean by discipline. We have to make a plan, and we have to have the discipline to stick to our plan. God, that would have been a beautiful, almost like 50% trade just in shares.
A lot of countries are warming up to nuclear, but Germany is not one.
I'm telling you guys, nuclear is gonna be the new hot thing, dude. Not next year, maybe not the year after, but in like 2 to 5 years. So we gotta get in. We gotta get in. In the next pullback, I'm really gonna get in on this.
I mean, cars are also doing well.
Yeah.
Considering Hyundai. What else? Which other sectors in Hyundai? And they're giant, right?
What?
Hyundai?
Oh, Hyundai, the car company, the Korean car company.
Yeah, they are also a nuclear company.
Yeah, it's a conglomerate. It's like they do like insurance, construction, department stores, ships, buildings. They do all types of stuff. Cars, electronics.
Going up, so like there's a housing shortage, so building should be fine. Insurance is something. So
Yeah.
cars are in an upward.
Yeah.
Nuclear is in upward.
I had a friend whose family is in charge of the Hyundai insurance arm. They're part of the family. They're part of that Lee family. I have a good friend.
Try to beat some insider information out of him.
He doesn't know that much about the business. I think it's his parents, but my friend himself, he doesn't know that much. But yeah, but they also own like hotels and stuff too. It's a big conglomerate. It's not just cars. But yeah.
I wish I could just invest in their nuclear arm. But damn, they make some good reactors.
Oh yeah, they do. They're in the energy business too. Yeah.
Like their reactors can throw waste into them and still create more power than a normal.
Actually, one of their biggest competitors in South Korea, SK Energy, I think holds a majority stake in this company, UUUU, Energy Fuels. This is the second largest uranium miner in the United States, and it's the only owner of a uranium mill. The only uranium mill in the United States, there's only one in Utah, and they own it. But SK Energy, which is a big energy conglomerate in Korea, they own a majority stake in this. So there's some diamond hands that already own this stock. There's some diamond hands. That's the kind of stock that I like. I like to see like lots of institutional diamond hands. God damn it. Is my order gonna fill or not? Come on. Market maker, fill my order. Give me my 10 cents. Give me my 10 cents. Come on.
Fuck this shit. I will just buy the U.
Is it not gonna give me my fill?
No. It's like Scrooge McDuck style.
What?
It's like, nah, you have to pay $1 more.
No, dude. It's my rules. I have to get my fill. I have to get that 9 to 1. I need that 9 to 1. Dude, what the fuck? There was an order that filled in before mine at 9 cents? How the fuck are they gonna fill 9 cents and not give me my 10 cents?
They know you're always playing their system, which down algorithm.
Dude, that's some BS. That is some BS. I just saw that fill at 9 cents. I just saw it. And they skipped my 10-cent order? That's ridiculous. Oh, come on, TOS. You're fucking up, guys.
I should have bought that Priority Fail Plus package.
Got it. Did I get it? Got it. I did. I got my 10-cent order. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Patience. Patience pays.
And what? It closes at 4:15, right?
Yeah. Just
Nice.
got it. Yes. Yes. In the last 40 seconds. God damn it. Yes. Patience fucking pays. All right. I got my 10 cents. Yes, sir.
You got yourself.
All right. And hopefully, yes, we got it. We got it. All right. Now we ready to lotto. Oh man, what if I get that 9 times payout? That would be sick. That'd be fucking sick. Okay.
Now,
Yeah.
now instead of moose, we want to scream moose piss, right?
Now I want to scream moose piss. Exactly. Now I just want the market that tank. All right. Well, we'll see. We'll see what happens. But yeah, I just wanted
Trust
to.
me,
Yeah.
I want the market to tank.
Oh yeah, I know you do because you got them puts for September or October, right?
I got more.
Oh, you got more? Oh shit. Okay. Well, hopefully you manage your risk and you're not going all too crazy. You hopped in the lotto too, MSC. Great. Yeah. I mean, I think so. It's something that JMR and I talked about. JMR, usually when he lottos, he does pretty well. So. JMR says put, so we jumped. All right. It's just a lotto. I mean, if it goes to 0, so be it. But I think it's a good play. Also, too, guys, just remember that Tyson play. I think Meats is going to be very interesting tomorrow, guys. Okay. And again, it's the end of day. You want to wait for end of day. So tomorrow at High Noon Highlights, I will go over it again. So don't be shooting too early. But if the CPI comes out and it's really bad and it just drops and then it recovers all of that and ends in the high end of its daily range tomorrow, that would be a very compelling buy signal. Also, it would pass the 3-day rule after this, ER dump. And we lotto with those 120 calls for January 2024. After it doubles, I take out my principal. I let the rest of the half ride. That's the plan. So I'll go over that again tomorrow. Okay. Also, too, just in the back of your mind, just keep this in mind. Uranium. Once oil, I think oil next year is going to have another rally. We're going to have another, commodities-based, cycle, bull cycle with commodities. I think when natural gas and oil just gets way too expensive, really, governments are going to get really friendly with uranium. I've been saying this since fucking June. And I should have bought this then, but I was an idiot. Again, discipline. What I talked about in High Noon Highlights today, if I could go back in time and tell my younger self, what to focus on, I would have said risk management, patience, and really acting only when you have an edge, and then developing a trade plan and having the discipline to go through with it. Those 3 things really changed my P&L and my trading career. Okay, the options data, the macro, all that's easy stuff. That's really easy to learn. That stuff is like anybody, even those who are not astute can learn that. But even what's hard to learn, what most intelligent people have a hard time with, is that emotional management, that patience, that suppressing that FOMO, suppressing that fear, and that discipline of going through with your trading plan. That is what most intelligent people have a hard time with when it comes to trading. And I believe that. I believe that's the hardest thing when it comes to trading. It really is. It's not about learning the data and the macro and the charting and all that. That's the easy stuff. Nobody tells you that. Nobody tells you that that's the easy stuff. It's this trade management, risk management, emotional management, that the battle that happens in the gray matter between your ears. That is the real battle in this market. I wish somebody told me that when I was younger. It would have probably saved me about 10 years worth of tuition in this fucking market. But oh well, it is what it is, man. It is what we all got to learn somehow, right? Trial by fire. That's how I learned. So, okay, guys, this was a great session. We got a lotto in. We got some more trades in our plan. We're looking at some future trades down the road. I think this was a great after-hour session. So, guys, we're going to be back at it again tomorrow at noon. High noon highlights. You know what it is. All day, every day, we do this. Let's make some money. Let's make this goddamn money. Okay, all right, guys. I'm signing off. I'll stick around in the Discord for a bit, and we'll go from there. Have a great day, guys.